So, ma'am, let's start with the chat session. Ma'am, can you just brief about your introduction?
Yeah, sure. Very good afternoon to you and to the members of this Eurasia Research. I am Vibha Joshi. I am professor in economics in Vasanta College for Women Rajghat, which is just admitted to the privileges of Banaras Hindu University, right? And here, this college is situated in the banks of the river Ganges, and we have a beautiful premises. I could have shown you the college because I am right now in the college, but outside I will not get that connection. That's why I'm
Okay.
sitting in the hall.
Okay, ma'am. I know that is a very beautiful place, Uttarakhand. Ma'am, how's the weather there?
Yeah, weather is very nice. Yeah, right now I am in Varanasi.
Okay,
Yeah,
right now you're in
yesterday I was.
Varanasi.
Yeah,
Okay, ma'am. So, how's the weather in Varanasi?
Varanasi it's very pleasant weather right now. It's very
Oh,
good.
nice. Because it's very cold here. So, ma'am, would you like to give a brief about your academic profile?
Yeah, academic profile. I am a professor here, and I have completed 22 years in this institution, and I am also associated with the J. Krishnamurthy Study Center, which is sponsored by UGC, and it was given as a center in the college. And we are very much interested in Krishnamurti ji because the college is itself situated in the Krishnamurti Foundation India premises.
Okay.
So we are having this. Benefit, or we can say we are privileged to have two idealistic persons in our life. One is Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya ji, who is the founder of Banaras Hindu University, and one is the founder of this Vasanta College for Women by J. Krishnamurti ji. And myself, as I have told you that I am a student of economics, and normally that specialization in microeconomics, and I'm also interested in that research methodology also. And I was seeing that there is a conference in UK,
Yes,
right,
ma'am.
on research methodology in
Yes,
so
yes, ma'am.
I
So, ma'am, are
was
you interested in attending that
very
conference?
much interested. I'm very much interested. I will definitely join in that.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, it will be really a pleasure to have you at our conference, ma'am.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, would you like to give a brief about the research you have conducted during this pandemic era?
Yeah, actually, I was very much concerned about the economic development and the situation we are seeing around this scenario, right? The pandemic and the man made these wars and attacks and all those things. So, all these things are really disturbing to humanity.
Yes.
And because I'm interested in economic development, and we know that economic development or growth or the sustainable development, all these are the key terms, right? We all want
Yes.
that.
Yes,
And we
ma'am.
also want to transform our world. So I think that the human capital is the greatest asset in remaking a world a better place.
Yes, ma'am.
And because human being have to live in the society, so there should be a better place to live also. So I
Yes.
thought that if we need that human capital, then it needs really material well-being is also needed, with health, with education, and a better environment. Also
Yes.
there is need of resilience and increase in people's capabilities and opportunities. All these things are needed. And I think that it is already well accepted thought that health and education are not mere outcomes of economic development, right? And
Yes, ma'am.
they are the essential means of achieving the sustainable development goals itself, and also further transforming the world to the desired level of sustainability. So I think that what is going wrong when we are going through all these things, where arms and ammunitions are, and this pharmaceutical, these two are the biggest industries in the world, and we are talking about the happiness of people, where
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is. So I think that there must be some change in education. And this idea came into my mind when in India, we were having this new education policy, right? National Education Policy 2020.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
And in that policy, actually, the human development, it was the basic idea behind that policy. And not this policy focuses on foundational literacy, but also it has focused on the involving parents and using technology at the same time. So there will be no digital divide to the in this era of COVID, where we have seen that this COVID has interrupted education in the world. So this digital divide should have listened down. There must be more and more involvement. There must be more and more holistic type of education, right? So one point
Yes,
was
ma'am.
that. And the other thing is that I am associated with J. Krishnamurti. And J. Krishnamurti in 1948, he was saying that this world is not that world which we really want to live in,
Yeah.
right?
True.
There is something because the system has been failed perhaps, and he was of the opinion that merely by substituting one system for another, it will not be very beneficial, it will be utterly futile. And he also thinks that the education is responsible, because each and every research on arms and ammunition, on that atom bomb and all these things done
Yes,
by
yes,
the
ma'am.
educated people, right? So
Yeah.
he was of the opinion that education is the basic thing which can transform the whole system. So we should start from the beginning. And this his idea of education, I will just say that he was of the opinion of that there should be right kind of education. We are having
Yes.
education, but we are not
But we
having right kind of
right kind
education.
of education. Yes, ma'am.
And what does he mean by right kind of education? He was of the opinion that right kind of education consists in understanding the child as he is without imposing upon him an ideal or what
Yeah.
we think he should be. And if there will be that framework, right? Because
Yes.
if we try to adjust the child or bring the child into a framework, then there will be fear, there will be insecurity, and there will be conflict between what he is and what he should be.
Yes.
So Krishnamurti was of this idea that all inward conflicts have their outward manifestation in society, and we can see it very clearly, right? So he was of the idea that there must be a right kind of education from the beginning, so that we can have a world which will be a very peaceful and harmonious place to live in, where there will be coordination and harmony between the man to man, between man and environment, and all those things. So I have taken this idea and I worked on it. And I found that if we can change, because Krishnamurti has established so many schools in India and so many schools in abroad also, so that we can start right from the beginning. Right. So
Oh, ma'am, what
this
a
was what.
thoughtful thing. Yes, yes. Very true. Very, very true, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am, for such an
So this.
informative things.
Thank you so much.
So, ma'am, let's come to our next question. Ma'am, I would just like to ask you that would you prefer an online conference or the physical one?
Now, most of the time, because I am a woman and I have so many family responsibilities
Yes,
and
true.
all these things. So I think that online is also very beneficial for us, where we cannot go, we can attend at least. But
Yes,
sometimes I think that to go physically, it gives you something different experience, right? As I was there in Paris to attend that conference.
conference.
Yeah, SSPHR at that conference. I was there in Paris on 25th
Okay.
and 26th, yeah, and
Oh,
I have joined that meeting. But if it is in hybrid mode, then it's
yes, ma'am.
very good that we can meet physically some people, and the people who cannot attend that meeting personally, they can at least
They
join
can
that
at least join.
in online mode. So this online mode has become very beneficial in this Corona time also, because we all were connected with each
Yes,
other, right?
yes, yes,
And
ma'am.
there was no problem with the college going and college teachings also. So I think that the online mode is the helping hand to this, all the academics things and all those things.
Yes. So, ma'am, you prefer education? Do you prefer attending an online classes for your students, or rather you prefer the physical one? You
No,
want
no.
students to attend the physical one or
Yeah,
the
yeah.
online one classes?
No, I'd like to have the physical classes, no? Because it
Physical
gives
ones.
a different flavor to the class. Because
Yes.
then you can see the faces of the students, you can see their eyes, they are understanding or not.
Yes.
In in online class, actually, we just complete the syllabus. We know that we are completing it, but we are not having that type of flavor which we can have in physical classes.
The
So I think
connection is lost.
yeah, yeah, yeah. That then it is a machine to machine connection, right?
Yes.
Not
Yes.
man to man
Yes.
connection.
No
Yeah.
man to man. Okay.
So
Thank you, ma'am. And now let's just move on to our next question. Ma'am, would you encourage your students, your family, or your colleagues to attend conferences? To attend our conferences?
definitely your conferences, because I am going through all those list of conferences and I was selecting. Sometimes it is the topic or the idea of the conference which is interesting. Sometimes the place where it is being held, that is much more
Yeah, that
interesting.
is more interesting.
So
Yes.
last time when it was in Paris, that Paris was more prominent that
Yes.
I have to
That
come
was
there.
the main reason of attending the
Yes,
conference.
the conference. And now the next when I'm seeing that research methodology, this is my area. So now the topic is much more interesting for me and it is
Yes,
more
ma'am.
convincing that I should attend. So I
And
will,
ma'am, we really want you to attend our conference, ma'am.
yeah, we will, I'm sure I will be connected with you all people, right?
Yes, ma'am. We actually feel very proud that an Indian is attending our conference, and it gives us really a great pleasure that, yeah, we are also standing somewhere.
Yeah, we are also thankful to you people that you people are giving this platform to us, where we can join and talk to eminent people.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Now,
Yeah.
ma'am, I just wanted to know your positive feedback about the conference.
My conference was very good. It was so enlightening session when we were having that on mental health and all that thing. And the papers, I was going through all those papers in that souvenir. They were very, very good papers. And the discussion we had on that day, it was really enlightening and it was enriching to my knowledge. So I am very happy with that. And I am telling everyone that you should attend and you must attend all these things. There are so many events they are organizing. So from my
Yes.
side, it is a very positive that I am part of this, and I will definitely encourage people to join us.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your kind words. Now, ma'am, would you
Yeah.
like to tell us that the current topic you are working, your research topic you are currently working on?
I'm currently working on this education and how we can change this scenario, right? Because
Yes.
this is the basic need of the hour. We want people to be happy, right? Economic development is one part, but if economic development is being held with the help of the people and people are happy, then it is having some meaning. So I would like to work on this, that how we can change the things. And right now we are on the stage that this national education policy is on the stage that we are trying to implement all those things which have been said in that policy. So I would like to work on it.
So,
Basically, because economics is a social science subject and social science is dealing with human beings. So I will be dealing with all those things.
wow, and such an interesting topic it is. I really want to attend that conference
Yeah, sure.
where you are presenting this topic. That is really very interesting topic. So, ma'am, would you like to? I mean, just want to know that how you just get into this profession. I mean, is this your career goal from the starting, or you just came to this profession
No, no, no. It was my career goal. मतलब
from starting only?
either I will be teaching or I will be doing nothing.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, you are so
And
determined about this.
yeah,
Okay.
because this is a very fulfilling type of career, no? Where
Yes.
you can fulfill your ambitions and where you can do something for the society
Of
by
course.
joining these young minds. And you have time and you have that, if you have that energy to connect with that young mind. And up to some point, if you can impress them or you can motivate them, then it is a big achievement, I think.
Yes,
That's
yes,
this
ma'am.
is my only goal, to be a teacher, and I am satisfied with what I am doing right now.
Wow, ma'am, that's the most interesting thing that you are satisfied with your job, ma'am. That's really interesting. And ma'am, we are really thankful that we have got such great professors like you in our country, ma'am.
Thank you
That's
so much
really nice, ma'am.
for giving me this opportunity to be associated with you people. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. It was really a pleasure, ma'am. And we will see you soon.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.